Hi guys, and welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. So today I am outdoors, as you can see, and it is beautiful. The weather is absolutely perfect, and so I wanted to test my soil kit that I received as one of the winners of the Turf Therapy 2000 subscriber giveaway. This came from My Soil. Predictive Nutrient Solutions Incorporated is where this came from. Which knife should I use to open? Should I use this one? Or should I just stick with this one? I think that's a pretty good one. Let's use that one. This came from Walla Walla, Washington. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Alright, packaging slip. Alright, and so this is the My Soil soil test kit. It says grow healthier plants, ideal for lawn and turf, ornamental, landscape, organic gardening, composting, soilless media, and trees. So I'm going to have to read before I continue and find out exactly how to test my soil. In the meantime though, so I'm gonna have to send a soil sample is what will happen. All right, and so it gave me some instructions, and this kit comes with a scoop, as you can see there, and some liquid inside. Oh, there's some sort of little ball or something inside there. So register online, add soil, mail the kit, and then you're gonna get the results, and that way you can amend your soil. Okay, so the reason that I entered to win the soil test kit is because I have been getting a very low producing crop. I'll get maybe one decent harvest, and like literally that was it, if the harvest is even decent, over the last probably 2 years or so. So I really needed this kit to figure out what is the issue with my soil. I figured if I bought soil, then everything should be okay, but who knows, that soil may even not be adequate or be missing something. Okay, so I took samples from 7 different areas in my yard where I grow. And so the instructions said to not remove any of the contents. So it's full of water, and it just needs 1 scoop of soil. 1 scoop of soil. So I'm going to add that to the test kit. I am so glad to have this kit, and let me just say thank you to My Soil and thank you to Turf Therapy for the giveaway. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my soil sent off to My Soil and see if I can figure out, or they can tell me what is happening with my soil, the reason why I am not getting adequate production. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in. I will do a follow-up with this. Thank you again, Turf Therapy. Thank you, My Soil, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.